Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to your daily update. Of course, on the one and only Solana. All right, Solana, the bullish Solana, or at least this morning. I think overall Solana is doing fine, but there are some things, and I think most of you will agree with me on that, that are less bullish. Fundamentally, Solana is still doing great. All right, so Solana and a lot of meme coins on the Solana ecosystem are still doing great. But technically, if you compare Solana to, for example, Bitcoin, or if you simply look at Solana against Bitcoin, what you'll see there is that it hasn't been that bullish since Friday. All right, since Friday, Bitcoin has been relatively stable and has obviously got a lot of bullish momentum in the last 24 hours or so. And Solana, even though the coins are correlated, which is true, Solana has kind of lagged, all right? Now, what I said yesterday in the video, if you still remember, is that I said there is quite a good chance that Bitcoin now becomes bullish, and that due to the correlation, there's actually a chance that Solana gets the bullish breakout we're waiting for, above 135, to rally up to 150. So I still do expect that, but I'm slightly worried, all right? I'm slightly worried because right now, the market obviously is very euphoric, all right? So Bitcoin is very bullish. Meme coins are absolutely popping off, and just most people are making money, or at least on paper are making money. So that's the case, but then to see Solana lag behind like this, I mean, Ethereum is also lagging behind quite a bit. You can see Ethereum has just made higher highs, but not with that much. So it's not that crazy, but it does worry me a little bit. Now, ultimately, the main thing you should be prepared for is the fact that the funding rates across the market right now are very high. All right, for Solana, they're actually pretty fine. They're not that high compared to other cryptos, but across the market they're very high. So what's going to happen is that Bitcoin will find resistance along the way, and every time that Bitcoin finds resistance, Solana is going to get a spike down bigger than the one of Bitcoin. So do I expect ultimately Solana to break above 135 here and rally up to our next price target at 150? Yes, I do expect that, and that's also what I said yesterday. Ultimately, I think that's inevitable with the fundamental situation of Solana, and especially if we're talking about retail adoption, etc. I think Solana is one of the coins that will receive a lot of attention, and a lot of people will flock to Solana. So I am bullish on Solana, but the thing is that short term, what could happen is that Bitcoin finds resistance at the previous all-time high area, and that it drops down. In which case, if Solana has not broken out yet above 135, we'll just stay in this consolidation, which is also fine. I think from this consolidation, we will still get that bullish breakout eventually, but something like that is something you have to be prepared for. All right. But no, I mean, at this moment, it does look most likely we'll get that bullish breakout sooner rather than later. But keep your eyes on that. And that's practically everything I want to say. I'm not sure what else. I mean, we could have a look at this as well to see how the momentum is doing. Otherwise, it's a very short video. But essentially, I did tell you everything you needed to know. But if you look at this, if you look at the open interest, you can also see that we're making higher highs there. All right, so we are gaining momentum. It's just not as high as it was before. Which is another sign that Solana right now, compared to, for example, the Solana of about a week ago, is just a little bit weaker, which there's nothing wrong with that, but it is something you have to take into account. It might be better to allocate some resources or just look at some other cryptos for now. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.